Hello guys, what's up? It's Devjyoti here and welcome back to TechieDD. So guys, in today's video I will show you how to use Android Auto in your car and what are the features it provides. Android Auto was developed by Google in collaboration with different car manufacturers, which is mainly designed to help you focus on the road while you are driving, and it was revealed in 2014, and as of September 2021 Android Auto is available in total 44 countries. And guys, with Android Auto you can use Google Maps to get directions while you are driving or real-time traffic alerts. It also provides features to make calls with just your voice, and it will also read your incoming messages or notifications. And guys, the most important feature is that with this you can play your favorite songs from your favorite app on the go, and you will also get Google Assistant support, so you can use your voice command to directly ask anything to Google. So guys, starting with Android 10, Android Auto is built into your phone. This means you no longer have to install a separate app from the Play Store to use Android Auto with your car display. But if you are using Android 9 or lower Android version, then you have to install Android Auto from Google Play Store. And guys, if the infotainment system present in your car supports Android Auto, then you will get the option for Android Auto on your screen like this. And guys, in different car you will get multiple USB ports, but not all the USB ports supports Android Auto. So you have to connect your phone with the right USB port to use it. And in some other car you will also get wireless Android Auto features, which means you can connect your phone wirelessly to use Android Auto, and no such cable is needed here. And guys, I have often seen people complaining that Android Auto is not working for them. This is probably because of the wear and tear of the cable from both the ends. So simply you have to change the USB cable and then it will work. And you will also have to allow all the permissions that will appear while you are using Android Auto for the first time. So guys, after connecting your phone for the first time, you have to allow all the permissions here. And then Android Auto will load up for the very first time in your car display. Here all the apps will appear that are installed in your phone. And guys, not all the apps are supported by Android Auto, only those apps will appear which are supported. And guys, this is the home button, and by tapping on this you can trigger your Google Assistant, and here it will show all your notifications for all the apps that are supported. Now let's open Google Maps. This is the most important feature for why people use Android Auto while driving. Now if you want to search for any destination, you can tap here and then you can enter the name directly by tapping on the keyboard that will appear in your display. And guys, at the same time your phone screen will turn something into like this, and you can enter the name from there as well. And then from here only you can start your navigation. Now guys, here you can play your music directly from the Spotify app. Here you will only get the option to play or pause and to go to next music, but you can't fast forward your track directly from here. You will also get JioSaavn here if the app is installed in your phone. And if you receive any new messages, it will appear directly here. And guys, if you tap on this weather icon, no specific app will open here, but Google Assistant will directly read today's weather report.
In Durgapur it's 89 degrees and partly cloudy. Today it will be partly cloudy with a forecast high of 89 and a low of 77.
And guys, if you open settings, you can enable or disable message notifications and media notifications, or you can also silent all your notifications. And guys, you can also access all the notifications directly on your phone screen. You will also get the option to customize your launcher, where you can select which app you want to see first while you open Android Auto. Now guys, if you open the phone app, you can directly dial any number from here and you can talk hands-free while driving, or you can select any contact from your contact list directly from here. And you can activate Google Assistant by tapping on this icon. Or you can also activate it from the steering mounted control by holding on this button. Guys, as I was not getting some option, so I have disconnected and then connected Android Auto for the second time. And now if you go to settings, you will get the option to choose wallpaper. And from here you can change your background. And guys, you will also get all your events directly from the calendar app. So guys, that's all for today. Please hit the like button if you have enjoyed my video and do subscribe my channel. And I will again see you in my next video. Thank you guys.